reality of travelling.
Oh, you're so strong.
And this is the final result.
Oh my god, I'm tired. Yeah! Oh my god.
Hi guys! Hello to me! Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am in Vietnam. I'm in the centre of Vietnam in a place called Hoi An. I am going to show you what there is to do here because it's meant to be so beautiful. But I'm here on my first stop in Hoi An. It's a place called Ba Na Hills. It's roughly, I think, about an hour drive from Hoi An. You can easily get a taxi. We took a taxi with the Grab company, which is basically the same as Uber back in the UK. The Ba Na Hills are famous for the bridge with the hands. I'll insert footage of what that looks like. And it's actually an amusement park, so there's different rides, there's like a cable car, there's lots of things to do here. I think there's like an alpine roller coaster, there's one of the drop up and down roller coasters. So I will show you what the Ba Na Hills are like and whether they're worth visiting. We spent about £36 on our ticket, which is quite expensive, but the hand bridge is probably one of the most famous things when you look into Vietnam. So yeah, come along with me and I'll show you the best things to do in Hoi An. So let's head up the funicular to the top of the Ba Na Hills. Jump! Woo! At the top of the cable car. This place is called French Village. This is what it's meant to look like. This is what it actually looks like. It's so cloudy. We're so high up right now, so I guess the clouds are in full force, but hopefully it clears up later on and we can show you what it actually looks like. You can see the French vibes here in the French Village.
There's like one stage 4.
We're in Fantasyland right now. There's loads of different, I guess, like roller coasters, 3D, cinemas, dodgems, games that you can play, but you need to pay for all them. This is the main roller coaster here. It's just stopped, but it's a drop up and down one. Dodgems here, which are included in your ticket. This is the reality of travelling. We're here at the Golden Hands Bridge, which is the main attraction up at the Ba Na Hills, and as you can see it's so misty we can hardly see anything. I'll insert some footage of what the bridge actually looks like when there's no mist. It's day 2 in Hoi An and it's absolutely pouring it with rain. So one of the popular things to do here when it is raining is going to get a tailor-made dress or suit, as you can see behind me. Apparently there's more than 500 tailor shops here, so it's really difficult to know, I guess, where to go. Even if I turn around here, every shop is a tailor shop. We're at a place called Tuong right now. It's a bit more expensive, this place. They've just quoted me £60 roughly for a satin skirt, so we're going to see if there's a cheaper place. This is the style I'm going for. I'm going to try find a place that's quoting maybe £30 because that's what we'd pay back home. We've gone into another tailor now that's known to be a bit cheaper. It's called Plan Design. We're just looking at all the materials right now and deciding what we want. They've got lots of silk materials here from a silk skirt. And they're quoting half the price of the other place that we'd gone to earlier, so yeah, I mean, I guess maybe the quality isn't as good, but I would pay £30 for a silk skirt. So I'm thinking this pattern for the skirt, I'm thinking it'll look a bit less cheap than like a plain silk skirt. They don't have the colour to try on, but they've got it in red. That look nice. High waist? Well, maybe like here?
Not here.
No. Like here?
You okay?
Yeah. Just getting measured right now for my skirt.
Lưng bả mì vuông. Quay lưng này. 59 bả. How long you like the skirt?
Like here?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, you say.
I now need to wait a few days for the skirt to be made, so I'll show you later on in the video how it turned out. It's day 3 in Hoi An and it's another very rainy day today, so we're doing another indoor activity, which is lantern making. As you can see behind me, there's loads of different lanterns you can make here. We're actually making ours from scratch, so we're getting, I think, pieces of wood and metal, like our workshop down here. And yeah, we're going to make the frame and then we're going to choose the materials. So I'll show you the process and I'll show you our lanterns at the end. Right, what are you doing?
We have to pick 12 sticks to make our lantern, so now I've lost count. Thank you, Celine. I think I'm on 10.
One. Now open. You do again. Keep going for 7 times. 2. Yes. 3. 4. Okay. Listen up, my friend. Don't worry.
Okay.
Lock it. You too. But you see, my friend, about a shape, we have this one can dry, this one can
Was it hard?
Oh, it can't fall.
Oh, you're so strong, my friend. Look at it.
These are all the fabrics you can choose. And this is the final result. Tell us what one you think's the nicest.
2 hours later.
I'm here to pick up my skirt. I'm about to go in the changing room. And this is the final result. I'm so happy with it. I want to show the details. Luckily the rain stopped for our 4th day in Hoi An. We're on a half-day tour today. We are doing a cooking class and we're also going on the famous coconut boats that spin you around really fast. So we are currently on our way to the local market where we will choose our ingredients for fresh for our cooking class later. We're making 4 different meals at the cooking class. So yeah, can't wait. Sounds like a really good day. And yeah, I'll show you what the market's like and then we can catch up on the coconut boats.
Okay, so on this side we get a pineapple for dessert. I choose more yellow before it's sweet. If you like for cooking, you can choose more green. Yes. We got the noodle for cooking later. So we have a 3 kind of the noodle.
We're now on the coconut boats. I keep calling them banana boats, I don't know why.
Even though they're round.
And definitely look like coconut shells. So I'm not sure if the guy spins us around or not. We'll find out. They did talk about maybe needing to pay them if they spin you around, but we'll see. This is what it looks like. Oh, I like your hat, Louise. Hi,
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style.
This is our coconut boat driver. Do you want to introduce yourself? What's your name?
Phương.
Woo!
Yeah, Sling. Xin chào Sling.
Yeah.
Oh, Gangnam Style. Yeah.
And take a long time. Now we have a two thing. Round one, we put it back and redo. The one like this is using first. So we do one way opposite the clock. If you do wrong way, just the water coming and the rest they have it. You can see the milk come out. Pour everything middle. And then you spin 3 times. 1, 2, 3, done. Don't do longer because stick it together with spoon. It's broken, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. Yes. Yes, already.
You forgot to put it in the water.
Yes, you forgot. She not keeping in the water, but yes. Yes, sticky. Okay, good job.
We're now at our cooking class. Got the key.
And then 2 birds and you share 1 egg. Would you set up 2, 2, 2? We do it first and you stick in the end for the noodle soup later.
Just cooking the cinnamon and the star anise right now. I think that's what it's called. We've got shallot and garlic. We're currently making our first course, which are veggie and meat spring rolls. Just made the peanut sauce and we're about to chop up the vegetables. That's the rice paper. This is the first course, made from scratch. Yum.
I have a gift for you. So everyone, for the second dish, you enjoy the rice bun cake, bun xèo. Vietnamese we call bun xèo. Bun is mean bun cake, xèo like the zizzle. Crispy cake is mean you see on the top it change golden color. This side it change golden color, this side not yet. Just angle the pan, oil move to this side crispy soon.
Can you try and help me? The second course is a Vietnamese pancake with shrimp and pork and veggies. Apparently it's a Vietnamese taco. Taste test time.
In the Netherlands, I had lots of Vietnamese food. That's a lot. A Vietnamese restaurant. Yeah, quite a lot. Yeah. You can get that too.
That's so good. We're currently making our third dish, which is a beef noodle salad. I'm just mixing up the veg right now. Plating it. Then we've got our noodles. We put that on top of the salad. Oh no, flatten them. Flatten them first with a spoon. Make them sticky. No, I'm telling you.
Yeah, no, I'm listening to you. You have to tell me that before though.
Flatten them.
Perfect.
Now what?
Then put them on top. Stop. Yeah.
Okay, ready? Yes. From the side, hold the pan quickly. Hold the pan, angle the pan a half side. Take it faster, faster, faster. Take on your hand. Take on your hand. Yeah. You move up, you move up, you move the pan up and take on your hand. Taking faster. Hi, Sam. Okay, guys, Brazil have it.
And that's the final result, the beef noodle salad. Looks so good. We're on our fourth course now. I'm so full. But the last course is pho, which is really popular in Vietnam. I'll show you how it's made. How's it made, Louise?
Put your noodles in for 5 seconds.
You then pick out your herbs. You then cook your beef for 5 seconds or 10. Put it on a ladle, put it in the broth. Not much broth left. And this is the final result.
French colonies,
Beef
they
pho.
couldn't read the Chinese letters, so they
It's now a few hours since the cooking class. I'm now in the old town in Hoi An, and a really popular thing to do here is to make lanterns and go on a boat on the river and I guess let them off, or at least let them all light up in the river and the darkness of the water and then the bright lanterns, and it's meant to be so pretty. So I'm just heading there right now, stopping by the little markets on the way. So it costs 150,000 for one boat for up to 3 people.
okay.
Dunno. We're currently on one of the boats. I was saying earlier it costs 150,000 dong for up to 3 people. How much is that? £5 UK money?
Yeah.
Around £5 for UK money, and you get a 20-minute ride down the river. There's lots of lanterns and you can let off, I guess, these mini lanterns. We're letting off our lanterns now. Make a wish, everyone. Woo. Fly away. Float away. That's us just off the lantern boats, and we're walking around the old town right now. This is definitely the place to come at night. There's lots of different restaurants and there's wee market shops you can go in to get souvenirs. All the tailor shops are down here, so you could walk around for ages exploring this area. But yeah, that is everything we have been up to in Hoi An. It's such a beautiful place. If you've not been here, then make sure this is on your list when you do come to Vietnam. And if you have been, then please let me know in the comments what you liked most about it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Safe travels, bye!